So I don't know if I recorded it in another video, but this is cut. Yeah, I did that, but I thought it just plugged in right there. I was trying to unplug it and the plastic just disintegrated. So I tried to unbolt it, and it was really fucking in there, and that stripped. So I decided just to cut it. Believe the green, that middle one need to be connected, and that black one left as is, or it's just two of them. But anyways, turn it back on. I noticed this is new. It now is saying -1. So that wasn't there a day ago or a few days ago when I looked. So if I put it in first gear, it's in first gear. I put down the kickstand. I mean, it's not plugged in, so it wouldn't sense it. But I mean, the fact it's not sensing it either way, and I'm in gear, I don't know where it would say off, or if that's the code for the kickstand being bad. It probably is. I feel like you mentioned that. So it's in neutral. So I'll just I guess I'll just fuck with those wires and figure out which one of those two need to be bypassing, hooked together to make that go away.